Ryan on email. I found your channel a few months ago. I'm a home brewer of about 4 years and was looking for content on the pro side to see how things are done differently, which there was not much of. There's not a lot of pro content, is there? It's almost like there's a niche waiting to be exploited. Really, this whole channel is about exploitation. I have to say I love all of your content and have watched almost all of your videos. He was a listener up until the one video about me writing a book, and then he unsubbed. Not him. I had the chance to get up to Saucy in the land. That's what I call Cleveland. Nobody else does, just me. And was excited. A couple of your beers were there. Escape was really great and was sad I couldn't get any to go except for growlers, but that's a bit too much to bring back. Escape is our Pina Colada ale. I wanted to see if you had any tips for me, as I'd like to brew something similar, specifically fruit side. Did you use pineapple puree and coconut puree, if there is such a thing? I've done a mango wheat that came out great, and I would love to try to make something similar to Escape. Thanks again, and keep up the great work. The next time I'm near Cincy, I'm definitely stopping by. Thank you so much. I'm flipping back for the name, Ryan, for all your kind words, man. Yeah, I brewed Fuse today, or not Fuse, but Escape, our Pina Colada beer. And yes, I am using real pineapple, real coconut in there. My recommended things for that are the Cholaka coconut product, which is absolutely sensational in my mind. I think it's recommended to add that post fermentation around 55 degrees. That one's absolutely awesome. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a beer I'm pretty proud of, man. It's a little quirky. It's a little bit weird. It has lactose in it. It has a bunch of flaked oats, a bunch of flaked rye. It's a 4% beer. It's this small little thing, but it's tasty, and we sell a ton of it, and I feel really good about it. A side note, I also use a TTB approved natural extract for Pina Colada, but there is, in a 15 barrel batch, there are 250 pounds of pineapple that go into it and 132 pounds of coconut. So it's not like I'm just skimping out and doing completely extract with that. And it makes an interesting, fun little beer. I am going to be doing a full episode on that. And this is kind of a sneak peek teaser for another person who has a pretty darn big platform on the homebrewing side of things, and actually potentially a couple of folks might be brewing Escape as that kind of thing, where I'm saying I'm going to have some homebrewers be brewing some of my award-winning recipes, and that's a beer that has done well for me in competition. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of were you asking for explicit tips on it? But yeah, that beer is coming up. So this is a stay tuned answer, because that content is a coming. All right, and from Cleveland, man. My wife's family's from Cleveland, so my kids are half Clevelandese. So I mean, there's a genetic connection. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're gonna maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.